Brio self-cleaning bottom-loading water cooler water dispenser. Stop struggling to pick up heavy water bottles and simplify your life with the easy bottom-load water cooler. Save your back from strains and invest in the cooler that allows for easy bottle replacements. As the bottom-load cabinet conveniently keeps your bottles safely tucked away. Enjoy the convenience of self-cleaning technology. This process involves the combination of 3 oxygen molecules to make ozone. Ozone is a natural, odorless gas that transports through the valves of your Brio cooler. To begin the disinfectant process, the oxygen molecules powerfully eradicate any harmful and dirty substances from your cooler water. Drink confidently knowing the water you hydrate with is always safe and free of most hazardous contaminants. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Full control over water temperature. The easy-to-access hot and cold switches allow for full control of when to heat and cool water, designed to provide you with user-friendly features. The simple switches provide you with power-saving options right at your fingertips. Simply turn the switches on or off for your convenience, created to provide you with customizable features that cater to all your hydration needs. Number 2. Removable drip tray. If you have owned a water dispenser before, you know how easy it is for the last drop of water to fall out of the tap after you've removed your glass. This Brio water cooler comes equipped with an anti-rust BPA-free drip tray, which allows you to keep your drip tray sanitary. The removable drip tray means an easy and quick cleanup. Number 3. Unmatched quality. The attractive, sleek finish is made of superior quality 304 stainless steel, ensuring that you have only the finest cooler on the market. Rest assured that the self-cleaning ozone feature thoroughly cleans your cooler. Number 4. Illuminate hydration. Never overfill or spill water when dispensing. The bright night light illuminates the dimmest environment, so refill your cup late at night. Number 5. Child safety lock. Brio keeps you and yours safe from any accidental pouring of hot water. The 2-step dispensing prevents any accidents from occurring, giving you peace of mind. Number 6. Easy bottom load. Never struggle to change bottles again. The easy bottom loading feature saves you from accidental spills. Simply place it in the lower cabinet and connect it to the pump. The digital display will always notify you when it is time to refill, so never be left without water. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.